While Microsoft 365 offers a great range of applications, an account is required before you can work with the service. Once you have a set of valid credentials, you can then access the apps and features. There's a lot on offer within the service, and it can be confusing to navigate through it all. Thomas recently ran into navigation problems when trying to update his Microsoft 365 account in Westcal. Thomas has created a Microsoft 365 account so that he can access Word and begin working on some Westcal projects. But before he can begin his tasks with Word, he first needs to update his profile in Microsoft 365. He's not familiar with the services and is unsure where to access the profile feature. Thankfully for Thomas, the Microsoft 365 interface is very easy to use and navigate. There are also several great benefits to having a Microsoft 365 account. Once you've created an account, you can log in and out of Microsoft 365 applications and services from any compatible browser and Windows operating system. Navigate through applications and features in the Microsoft 365 landing page and update your information in your Microsoft 365 profile. So, how do you navigate through a Microsoft 365 account? First, let's review the steps for logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Every Microsoft 365 account requires a username and password. Once you have these details, open your browser and navigate to the login page, login.microsoftonline.com. With the login page open, enter your email address and then click on the Next button. Type in your password, then click the Sign In button to complete the process. Keep in mind that you can choose to keep yourself signed into the account by clicking the Yes button. This is a great time saver as it means that you don't have to log into your account every day. Just be sure that you don't select this option when using public computers. That would be a major security risk. The default Office landing page then appears. Keep in mind that the login process you've just seen here might differ from that mandated by your work environment, but many of the steps should be broadly similar. Next, let's take a few moments to explore the Office 365 landing page. The landing page that you see when you first log into your account is where you can find shortcuts to many of the online Office applications and settings. This page might look different depending on the Microsoft 365 plan that your organization is using, but you should always see the navigation toolbar along the top of the page. Click your name on the toolbar to display the My Account pane. This pane provides you with links to view your profile page using My Office Profile, which might require you to log in again, view your account information, and sign out of your Microsoft 365 account. To close this pane, click on the same button again. Click the Help button on the toolbar to open the Help task pane. In this task pane, you'll find the search field, the featured Help pane, where you can learn about the latest updates, the No Installation Required pane, where you can get information about Office Online, and the Legal, Privacy and Cookies section. Clicking the Settings button opens the Settings task pane. Controls in this task pane allow you to customize basic aspects of your Microsoft 365 account, such as themes, language and time zones, dark mode, passwords, and contact preferences. The My Day icon provides you with an overview of your Outlook calendar. In the Calendar tab, you can view calendar meetings and events, or select the To Do tab to view your to-do list for the day. Office 365 can also be used to access different applications. To open Office apps, click the tiles on your landing page or select the All Apps icon to open the application page. If you can't find an app, click All Apps to expand the pane. You can also select the App Launcher to open a list of applications to choose from. When clicked, the App Launcher drops down on the left-hand side of the browser window. The App Launcher displays a menu with many of the same links to your applications as those that are found on the application page. It also shows documents that were recently opened. Click on these links to open the related application. Next, let's find out how to update your profile. Your profile is what people will see when they add you as a contact or directly view your profile page. To view and modify your profile page, click your profile photo on the navigation toolbar to open the My Account task pane. Then select My Office Profile. Your profile page is shown as part of the Delve application. On this page, you'll find any recent documents that you've been working with, other people in your organization, and any notifications that you might have, along with other features. To edit your contact information, click the Update Profile link. On this page, you can edit your profile information. You can add a personal description of yourself, a photo, and other information such as skills, education, and even your birthday. So now that you've finished updating your profile, it's time to log out of Microsoft 365. You can log out by clicking your name on the far right-hand side of the navigation toolbar. This action displays the My Account task pane. Click the Sign Out link. A page appears with a message to confirm that you have signed out of your account. You now know how to log in and out of a Microsoft 365 account, navigate the Microsoft 365 landing page, and update your profile. Great work.